Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to use the chamfer command. To activate the chamfer command, you can use the command chamfer or you can use its alias CHA. Press enter. Before specifying the lines, first you have to set the chamfer distance. So select this distance option. Specify the first chamfer distance. So I'll keep the first chamfer distance as 2. Specify the second chamfer distance. So I'll select 4 as the second chamfer distance. Press enter. Now you can select the first line. So whatever line I select as the first line will take 2 as the chamfer distance, and the line that I select second will take 4 as the chamfer distance. So let's say I select this as the first line and I select this as the second line. So you can see that this line has taken 2 as the chamfer distance and this line has taken 4 as the chamfer distance. You can also activate the chamfer command using the chamfer tool here in the modify panel. You can also specify the chamfer based on angle. So let's select the angle option. So you have to specify chamfer length on the first line. So the first line that you select will take this first chamfer length. So I will select 4 as the first chamfer length. And now you have to specify the chamfer angle, and this angle will be with respect to the first line that you select. So let's take the angle as 30 degrees. Press enter. So you have to specify the first line, select the first line. I'll select this line as the first line. It means that this line will take the chamfer length of 4, and I will select this as the second line. So the first line has taken 4 as the chamfer distance and the angle here is 30 degrees. You can also check the angle. So the angle between this line and the first line is 30 degrees as we specified. Let's activate the chamfer command again. So we specified the chamfer distances as 2 and 4, and we specified the chamfer length and angle as 4 and 30 degrees. From here you can select whether you want the distance method to be activated or you want the angle method to be activated. So I'm going to activate the distance method. So now the distance method is activated. The first chamfer length will take 2 unit as the chamfer length and the second line will take 4 as the chamfer distance. Let's select this polyline option and select this rectangle. So you'll see that all the corners of the rectangles are being chamfered at once. Let's activate the chamfer command again, and this time I'll set the method to angle, and from the menu let's select multiple. Once you are in the multiple mode, you can set a chamfer distance for one corner and you will see that you are still in the chamfer command. So you can create some more chamfers, and once you are done, you can press escape. Let's go to the chamfer command again, and this time let's set the trim mode to no trim. Now if you create a chamfer, you'll see that AutoCAD is keeping the original corner as it is, and it is also creating a chamfer.